Hey, what's up guys? It's Eric Suchi back with another video. Today I'm actually at my parents' house. I don't have the FD right now. It's at a friend's house because I was quarantined for 10 days for very obvious reasons. I unfortunately caught COVID, but I'm out now, and now I'm with my daily, my Integra, so I'm just gonna be washing it today and giving you guys a quick drive and breakdown of the car, because I don't think I've ever brought it on this channel. I don't think I have. It's always been my RX-7 because I know that's what people like seeing, but this is something that I actually drive quite often. You guys just never see it. Yeah, it's a 2001 Acura Integra GSR with a swap, well, not a swap, but I guess technically a swap from a 96 GSR. So same motor, just came out at a different year. It's a B18 C1, and yeah, I'm just gonna be washing it today and driving it. It's been a while since I've driven this. It's been like 10 days, but earlier I was on the highway in 5th gear and I was like trying to force it in 6th, only to remember that the it's my reverse. I don't actually have a 6th gear. I've been playing too much Forza. I wish I got on film because it was kind of funny, because I was like getting angry. I was pissed. I was like, why the fuck isn't it going into 6th? Only to remember that actually I don't own a car with a 6th gear. My FD doesn't have a 6th gear either, so I don't know why the fuck I thought I had a 6th gear in this car. But yeah, maybe I thought it was like an S2000 or something, I don't know. But this is a B series, not an F series. FC20 or F20, I think the FC20 in the S2000, but yeah, this one's got a B18. Honestly, like, I love B series. Like, they're kind of quick. Like, everyone always talks shit about Hondas, but I mean, when the VTEC kicks in, it's kind of fun. I don't know, it's kind of fun. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, go get in second. Ask this guy to move kindly so I can engage in VTEC, please. All right, maybe not, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I don't know, if you don't have a lot of money and you want to like a kind of fast car, but like not like super fast where it's like unreliable, get a Honda, because you can modify the fuck out of it and not have to like worry about it really blowing up. Like, I have full bolt-ons on this, and I mean it's pretty quick. I need to tune it. I have a variable ECU on it, which is like a chipped ECU basically that needs a tune. It's on a base map right now, but I mean, I bought this car for like 4 or 5 grand or something like that. So, and all the mods were already done to it, like suspension, intake, exhaust, headers. It's got mild cams on it, so it's pretty, I mean, it's pretty quick. Like, you guys saw, like, when I ripped it, it wasn't like super, it wasn't like a D series, no offense, but the or the D16s or whatever in the Civics.
Hey! Shit! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey yo, VTEC just kicked in. Yeah, so you know, everyone always talks shit on Hondas, but you know, like, some kind of moves. It's not like, you know, it's not like a SRT, or it's not like a, you know, muscle car, but I mean, it handles really well, and it gets around the block pretty quick. So I mean, it shifts well. So the GSRs are known to have shit transmissions, but mine's fine, unless like unless I'm like banging gears like really hard. It doesn't grind or pop out or anything. It grinds a little when I'm like slamming gears, but luckily oh, what's going on here? Oh, accident. But yeah, luckily I don't like slam gears, because I never, well, I haven't taken it to the track yet, but I definitely want to take it to the track. I think that'd be pretty cool. I think that'd be pretty fun. Take it out to the track, but yeah, we'll see. Hey yo, VTEC just kicked in. No, I'm just kidding. Nice Honda. Look at that G. Later. No, I'm just kidding. Hey yo, VTEC just kicked in, bro. Yep, Honda boys. Sounds like you're going fast, but I mean, you're not really moving. But at least you sound cool. So I can definitely say with an RX-7, this car feels a little underpowered, but it's okay. I just know that the FD's boosted. This one's NA. This one was boosted. If I had a boosted B series in this, I know this thing would be like move, but it sounds like a lot of more unreliability when this is supposed to be my daily. But I've always thought of turning the daily into another race car, so just JDM things, just car people, just car guy things, car guy or girl. Sorry, let me be all inclusive. Ooh, this handling. All right, Apex's turn. Then he fucking floored out. Oh, whoa. That's why he needs a tune, because sometimes re-engaging into VTEC, it I don't know why, but it struggles a lot. But yeah, I don't really know. I think it just needs a tune. Also, I think I'd be able to draw more power out of it if it had a tune, because it has all these mods, and I'm just running on the stock base map tune. So I think having a tune would give me more power.
Rider, bust you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stain